This thing's been sitting here for like 2 months and the battery is dead. Gotta unlock it. This is the Honda right here, right? Unlock. Oh, maybe it's so dead that it won't unlock. Could that be it? All right, so you got your Honda, you can't get in your car. You're gonna press this button right here on this Honda thing, and that's gonna allow you to pull this out. Now you got a key that you can start the car with and get into the car. So look right here, you see that? There's a little key thing there that you can get your key in to open it up. Let's try it again. All right, go ahead. That's it. All right, we got it. All right, good job, Lauren. All right, so anyway, don't shut it. I want to make sure it's unlocked. All right, it's unlocked. All right, we got in. Anyway, that's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it.